Hi, to transfer all data from old Android phone to your new CMF Phone 1 as a first step, if you have already set up your brand new CMF Phone 1, then you need to perform factory reset. So you need to set it up again. Now, let me set up this phone. So firstly, I'm gonna pick language. Let me just find English in the list. Here it is. And now let's simply go back using this arrow to go back. So here we need to tap this arrow to go next and now connect to Wi-Fi. So make sure you're connecting to the same Wi-Fi network as your old device. Let me pick mine, enter its password really quickly, and now just tap this connect button. So after a few seconds we would be connected and now it is getting the phone ready, so we are just waiting till we could transfer all of our data from our old phone. And yeah, here it is. This is that moment. So what we are gonna do next is we need to take this Type-C to Type-C charging cable, one end plug in your old phone and one end in your new phone, like this. And now, after that, you should just wait a couple of seconds. And yes, now it is checking info again. Here you need to confirm your PIN code, password, and so on, and sign in your Google account. So let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. At this point, choose who will be using this device and also tap next and agree with terms of service. And now you need to check your other device. On your other device, you would see this type of information. And here, simply choose to copy apps and data. After that, you should see this loading animation and information that it is getting ready to copy. And this may take a few minutes. So just be patient and wait a bit. And here it is. Here you wanna choose what to copy. You can copy apps, photos and videos, music and other audio, SMS messages, device settings, and call history. So let's copy all of that. And now on your other device, you can see copy in process. And on your new device, on your CMF Phone 1, here scroll down and accept everything. Now you can also turn on backup, not to lose any data from your Google account. And now simply set up your phone like you would normally do. So here choose your browser and search engine. Firstly, let's pick browser. For that, I'm gonna pick Google Chrome and set is as default. Now let's choose search engine, also Google, and set as default. Here you can set a PIN code on your phone, or you can skip this step and do it later in settings, or you can go in screen lock options and here switch to password or pattern. I'm gonna use pattern and tap next. And now let's confirm. Here customize your lock screen. I'm gonna choose to show all notification content, and additionally you can set up fingerprint and lock, but I'm gonna skip this step and do it later. Let's tap continue to continue this setup, and now we'll need to simply allow access Google Assistant. So just agree to use voice match model, and agree to use Assistant on your locked device. This could be really helpful. And additionally, let's change how text displays. So I'm gonna make font size bigger as well as display size and enable bold text. And by the way, on your other device, on your old phone, you can already see this information that copying is finished. So you can continue setup on your CMF by Nothing Phone 1. You can close this window here. Now let's continue setup. And here you can see the same information now. So copying is done. All of your apps, photos and videos, music and audio, messages, device settings, and call history has been successfully copied. So just tap done and wait a few seconds till it's getting the phone ready. And by the way, at this point, you can already unplug this Type-C cable and simply agree with terms and conditions. Here you can also make some adjustments. For example, you can enable Nothing notifications and you can check information about new OS 3.0. Let's go next. So, almost the last thing is to choose your visual style. We can either set default Android style with default Android icons or this brand new Nothing style. So let's pick Nothing and finish setup. Now, as you can see, we got the same wallpaper as on old phone because we just copied everything. Also, if we swipe down, we'll see that Google Contacts synchronizing complete. Let's open this phone app, go in Context, and also here, open our context. And as you can see, all of the contacts are copied as well. Let's check photos, for example. For that, on CMF Phone 1, I'm gonna open Files. And on this device, I'm gonna open Gallery. Let's choose all photos. And here, pick images as well. So, as you can see, photos are copied as well. So, we just copied all of our data. Also with our tab with recents. So here we can see it on new device as well, our recently made calls. And that's basically it how it works. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.